Well, welcome back. We are finally getting to a stage that we are, say, 90% completed on the project. As you can see, throughout the complex, we had installed, restored the windows on the front. We installed all the new windows throughout the building. Countless people be honking their horns at us that it finally, or these blue tarps are out of the sight, and we're actually got some real glass and some windows in there. We are installing the elevator. So we are doing the installation of the cart right now. That is, the process takes about a couple of weeks, so it's a lot to it. I have the company here now installing the doors, and that will be done hopefully by next week. So everything's really going to come together at some point within 2 weeks. Bathrooms are completed. That is done. That's a good feeling. And doing the last touch-ups. We have all the tiles laid out on the main entrance throughout the main corridor. After that, it's really a lot of grouting once the grout's done, and then basically a lot of cleaning after the fact. The tenant, Salon Savvy, the chairs are here and will be installed probably on Monday. And he can start moving in. He can't wait to move in here. He's ready to be hanging pictures and so forth, but we're gonna keep him at bay for another couple of weeks. So I'm wishing that I can find another job with this type of neighborhood around here, because it makes you feel welcome. And anything you ask to them is there. I mean, they even send food for us at no charge. So what else can you ask? So I think it's been a great experience, and I think we're going to give them a nice product at the end of the day, and they'll be proud of that.